Hey everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the seat cargo rack system from Tusk. All right, so if you are looking to get more storage space in the cab of your UTV, these seat cargo racks from Tusk are a really great option. What these actually do is replace your seats inside your cab, and they give you a nice large flat surface to put all your storage items. Now the way these are constructed, they're made from high quality aluminum. They got a nice black powder coated finish to them. And you can see the one I'm holding, what's nice about these is they have a lot of cutouts. So once you have them installed, which we'll show you here in just a moment, you have a lot of tie down attachment points. So if you like to use rock straps, that's what we like to use a lot. You could use tie downs. Regardless of what you put in here, you're gonna have multiple attachment points to get your items secured. And also being made from aluminum makes these nice and lightweight, so when it comes to picking them up and installing them, very easy to do. Now when it comes to fitment with these are machine specific, so it's very important when you're picking yours up, you enter the make, the model, and the year of your side-by-side. But if you have a two-seater, you can get it for the front passenger seat, or if you have a four-seater like we have here, you can do the front passenger seat as well as the back seats as well. In fact, we've got these all installed, and I wanna show you just how much storage space you can get when you have these installed. So with this four-seater, we've got the rear cargo racks already installed in the back. So I open this up. You can see in the back now, we've got a 50-liter cooler, tent, sleeping bags. We've got a couple of helmets in there, a couple of camp chairs, and we still have room to spare. So we could actually put even more items in here if we wanted to. You can also utilize the space underneath the cargo racks. So there's actually a little bit of storage space underneath. So if you have some smaller items, you can put them in there as well. Now, one thing that I would point out, okay, the system works great. You notice that we have full doors installed on the side-by-side. Having the full doors is nice with this system because you don't have to worry so much about items falling out the bottom of the door. So just something to keep in mind with this system. But like I said, they install super easily, and that's actually what we're gonna show you next. So the way these install is just like your OEM seat would. If you've ever taken your stock seat out and put it back in, it's that easy, it's that fast to do. So I'm actually gonna show you firsthand right now how quickly and easily I can take this front seat and install it. All right, so there you have it. Took me about 15, maybe 20 seconds to take the stock seat out and then put that cargo rack in. And now the entire front passenger seat of this four-seater is all storage space. So again, if you're looking to get more storage space out of the cab of your UTV, this is an awesome route to take. Now, a couple other things I do want to point out. So depending on the machine that you have a couple different options. If you have a two-seater, obviously you're gonna do the passenger seat. But if you have a four-seater like we have here, as you saw, we have them for the back seats as well. You can buy all of these individually, or if you want to, you do have kits available where you can get these together. Another thing is with the seat bases. Now, one of the reasons that they install so quickly is because they actually just utilize an OEM seat base. That's what makes it so easy. So you can buy these separate without the OEM seat bases, but if you go that route, just know that you do need to take your seat bases off your seats and install them on the cargo rack. Or like I said, you can get them as a kit and they will come with the seat bases included. So that way when you get them, all you gotta do is just take your seats out, pop the cargo racks in, and you're good to go. So if you guys have any questions about these, leave your comments below. We will help get those answered for you. To pick yours up, just click on the link at the end of this video. Just remember, like I said earlier, machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year of your side-by-side, and you're gonna be good to go. If you guys like this product spotlight, well, do not hesitate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's gonna keep you up to date and in the loop on the latest gear guides, product reviews, as well as UTV builds that we are constantly rolling out. And we got a lot of great parts for your UTV, so get over to Rocky Mountain and check those out. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.